Whether sports or activities or clubs, get involved. You find your people. You make sure you're here every day because we want to see every last one of your faces be successful. There's no question about it. We love every last one of you. We want you to be here. We're happy that you're back. Welcome to the Central President. Welcome back, everybody else. Great job, fellas and ladies. Love to have you back. Go Central.
Like that's such a good idea, Brett. High five.
It's okay to bring me down. Feel like you know that I don't mind now. Watching autumn fall to the ground. We sit as the world.
Oh, is it a video?
Yeah.
Miranda Mazzara. I think that we have so much potential. I think that we are very versatile offensively. We're just really dynamic, so I'm excited to see how we put that into play. I think that we definitely made a statement in that last set, and we didn't play our best every single match, but it's a learning experience. None of these matches go on our official record, and I think there can be a lot of hype, but I thought the girls handled themselves well for the most part in adversity, and just want to learn from this and continue to grow.
All right. Well, thank you for the little interview.
Yeah, thanks, Leo.
Hi Central, it's Allison. Here's some Central crazies. We're going to teach you some loud crowd etiquette. Remember, every cheer is 3 times. On 3, 1, 2, 3.
This is SpongeBob. Are you ready, kids? Aye, aye, Captain. I can't hear you.
This is a classic. This is called roller coaster. This is how we show the party's on our side. 3, 2, 1, peace! This is for when we're on defense. D up! D up! D up! D up! D up! D up! This is the Central cheer. C-E-N-T! R-A-L! C-E-N-T! R-A-L! C-E-N-T! R-A-L!
Right.
Is it filming?
All right. Now.
Okay. Hi, redo that. Hi Central, it's Allison. Here's some Central crazies to teach you the loud crowd etiquette. No, I don't like that.
Yeah, do it like that. All right, yeah. Keep going. And then squeeze.
Good. Yep.
This one's comes. Oh my god.
All right.
Shut your mouth. This one's called SpongeBob. Are you ready, kids? Aye, aye, Captain. I can't hear you.
You're talking with Mr. Sones?
All right, and we're walking back to Mr. Son's room.
Yeah.
All right, this for video announcements. Just like chill because nothing happened this week. Because everything was too short.
a whole lot less was happening this week than normal. I've got some freshman classes, and I had no students in my classes because, well, they were in freshman orientation this week.
Jeff Carter, American History's teacher, student government sponsor.
All right, how do you feel the first day of school?
First day was great. Like, we got to meet all the new freshmen, got everyone back in. Things went really smooth, and pep assembly was awesome.
Dr. Morosky.
All right, how would you describe your first day of school? The first day of school.
First day or first week?
The first day. How was the first day of school?
First day was long in comparison to the others.
All right, how was your first day of school?
How was my first day? It was really good. Thanks.
Eu sou Magister Altman. I'm Mark Altman, the Latin teacher. My first day was good. This is my second year, so the first day of my second year, and I kind of knew my way around the building a little bit and saw familiar faces, and so I was glad to be back. I was rested up and ready to go again.
Soy señor Lewis, enseño español 2, 3, 4 y AP.
¿Cómo fue tu primer día de escuela?
Pues sí, hacía mucho calor, ¿no? Entonces, como él nos dijo, fue un día muy chaotique, ¿no?
Je m'appelle Madame Russell, je suis la professeure de français.
Comment était votre premier jour d'école?
Fantastique. Le premier jour d'école, c'était fantastique. Avec les étudiants dans les premières classes, on a construit les tours Eiffel avec les spaghettis et les chamallows.
I'm Dr. Rink, principal at Central.
All right. How was your first day of school?
It was really good, a little hectic. We had freshman academy for the first time, and obviously a lot of people changing classrooms because of the heat, but other than that, it was really good.
Science!
All right. How was your first day of school?
I was happy to see the kids.
Yeah, always good to see new faces.
Yeah, it was good to see everybody.
This is great to be back in the swing of things.
Loved the freshman academy. Good to know the experience.
Blockbuster.
All right.
Annie Bramlage,
All
theater
right.
teacher.
How was your first day of school?
Actually amazing. I had a good vibe from back to school night, and so my vibe was right on.
Mr. Stegman, the sports marketing teacher from Central High School.
All right. How was your first day of school?
It was good. It was pretty quick. With the week and everything that happened with all the heat stuff, it was very interesting to kind of see the differences between a normal first week of school and this year. But it was good. It's been good. Very busy, very fast paced, but we're getting through it day by day for sure.
Lieutenant Colonel Dave Jones.
All right. How was your first day of school?
Oh, absolutely fabulous. I'm in Central Love. Back in the day, Dave George and I roamed these halls, and it's really good to be home. I'm here in Jarrett, TC, and loving it.
Coach Farrell.
All right. How was your first day of school?
It was good. It's been a wild week, but I think we're starting to get the hang of things and getting back in the swing of it.
All right. Who am I speaking with?
Coach Hunter.
All right. How was your first day of school?
It's over.
It's Mr. Barbosa from Old Central High.
All right. How was your first day of school?
Excellent. I'm here with 1,700 of our closest friends. What more could we ask for?
I'm Miss Crawford. I teach ELA at Central in room 27.
All right. How was your first day of school?
It was awesome. We piloted the freshman academy. We went on tours and they had all different sessions. I had a really busy but exciting first day.
Coach Olson.
How was your first day of school?
Long.
Danielle Gonzalez.
All right. How was your first day of school?
The first day was spectacular, and it became even better once we found out we were getting all these early outs.
Coach Lyons.
And how was your first day of school?
It was great.
How would you describe the first week in one word?
Unexpected.
The week's been pretty chill.
Crazy.
Interesting.
Hot. Caliente.
Génial.
A little crazy.
Tiresome.
Hot.
Humid.
Sweaty.
Hectic. Exciting.
Phenomenal.
Hot.
Awesome.
Wild.
Fantastic.
The first week? Oh, okay.
Don't worry, you won't get fired.
No, I don't even know how to describe the one word. What would I pick for
Hot.
one word right
Inspiring.
Hashtag one team.
Oh, yeah.
here? How would you describe the first week at Central High School already? Besides hot.
Funny.
But I didn't think it was hot. Like this room right
Entertaining.
now. Yeah. Let's do surprising.
Exuberance.
Exhilarating, but also another E word, exhausting.
Describe the whole week of school in one word.
Amazing.
Fantastic.
Okay?
Été.
Comment était ta ou ton? Ta. Oh, votre. Comment était votre premier jour d'école? Who am I speaking with?
Science.
All right. How was your first day of school?
Humid.
It was great.
Chaotic.
Okay.
Another new day.
That's more than one word.
Now, the one word. How will you describe the whole week in one word?
Oh, I should use chaotic for that one.
Who am I speaking with?
Excited to be back.
Great to see everybody again.
Refreshing.
Describe the first week, your first week of school in one word. Who am I speaking with?
Science.
Phenomenal.
All right, thank you guys.
That when I talk to you, oh Cupid,